This is a video by Richmond. Today we are working on a Ford Fusion. This happens to be a 2011 model. And what we're doing today is we are removing the heater blower motor. First thing we got to do is remove the negative battery cable from the battery. Now the blower motor is located below the glove box, right down here. Next thing we got to do is to remove this electrical connector from the motor right here. We'll just push in this little lock right here and remove it. Next thing we got to do is to remove these three 5.5 millimeter screws that hold in the blower motor. Alright, here is the last screw. Got it. And here comes our blower motor. Look at that. He's pretty clean. Oh, look at that. Look where it's made. Wow. That's different. Yeah, that's it. There's your blower motor. Not too bad of a job. So that's all there is to removing a blower motor from your Ford Fusion.